Hello everyone, here is our full series of solar light from 40W, 60W, 100W and 200W with remote controller. All these lights come with a remote controller like this one with 4 functions: on, off, auto, 3 hour, 5 hour. On off means you can control it on off as you want. When you want it on, then turn it on. When you want it off, turn it off. Auto function means now it's daytime. If you turn off directly, and when it's dark, it turn on directly. 3 hour, 5 hour means when it turn on, it was 3 hours, then it turn off. 5 hours means when it turn on and 5 hours working time, then it will turn off directly. All these solar lights, they are thick aluminum case with thick glass on surface, and back is aluminum, and battery inside. There is also a water connector. You can install easily. On its front side, there's a LED indicator showing it's working now. Now it's charging the battery on the daytime. You can see everyone is charging. This is 40W. You can see 40 IP67 LED indicator solar light. And this waterproof connector and backside very strong and high quality. This is 60W solar light. Also, it's a little bigger than the 40W. But the backside also similar design with strong aluminum case. This one is 100W. It's a big one, suitable for big garden yard. Very good design. If you want to buy from China, you can contact me directly. This is 200W solar light. Very big size. For a big garden yard, can be 50 square meter, suitable for 50 square meter. Very strong and thick glass, thick aluminum backside, and battery built inside